Bye-bye. Oh. Oh, go outside, my love. Dito, anak ate. Here, love. Here. The driver is here. Come, faster. He's waiting there. Hoo-hoo. Good morning, sunshine. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, come here. Morning. Hi, good morning, Uncle. Sorry, we're a little bit late. Go school. No, huh? No chocolate, no candies.
No kangkang.
Ano yun? But that's what's mommy's doing. After work, I check your exams. I check your homeworks. I check your artworks.
I check the boom.
What?
Emirates. Nabidi.
NBD.
MBD. MBD.
Why are you so talkative, ate?
LNH Hospital.
Yes.
LNH Hospital. LNH Hospital. Ay, we missed that.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Uncle can take us to another road here. Yeah.
What do you call building?
Paruk International Stationery.
Now we're lost.
This one, how do you read this one? This one.
That one, the white one?
This one, yeah.
Bacala.
Okay, how about the other one? The next one, that one.
The green one and the purple?
Yeah, this one, how you read? This one, how you read? Hey, forgot. You miss already.
No.
This one, Mama Chuana's favorite restaurant. Eat Enjoy.
Eat Enjoy?
Yeah. That's where she eats chicken, juicy chicken.
I mean, juicy tree?
Juicy chicken joy.
Oh, I'm so silly.
Yeah, you are.
That's where Ati Rich dude in the gym?
Oh, no, that's different gym.
Oh.
There's a lot of gym. This one, how you read this one? Silly girl. Where are we going, Uncle? We missed the other stop. We're roaming around. Okay.
Stop it.
Are you late? This one. Okay. To your school. Come on, let's go. Come on, Bangka. Woohoo! Come here. Come. Say bye-bye, Uncle. See you later. No, see you tomorrow. Go, loves. Go.
Why is it waiting?
He's gonna wait for mommy. Mommy's going to work, di ba? Here, ate. Oh, press M.
Mommy, we have to use this. You have to use the stairs.
Oh, we're going up. When going up, anak, and then going down, mommy. But mommy use the stairs when going down. Go here, anak, loves. Hi po. Hi.